Welcome everyone. Today we are going to show you our last 3 months performance, everybody. So here the account which I am showing you is completely about India Infoline, where we are doing our own trades as well as we are taking care of the client's account as well. So friends, here it has everything where we can generate online complete ledger and online complete last 3 months, 6 months, or even 1 year performance and all. Here we are going to show you about last quarter, last 3 months performance which you are handling in client's account as well as our personal demat account. So here in my account I am going to click about ledger simplify beta, which will give an idea about how much returns we have made from last 3 months, 6 months, or xyz months. So I'm just clicking on ledger simplified beta. So yeah, this is about entire account overall performance, how much profit we made, how much loss we made, what is the average profit loss, everything. So guys, you can see as I would suggest, don't see 1 day, 2 day, or even 7 day performance in anybody's account, because he can be positive, he can be negative, but overall performance can give you at least quarter or at least 3 months, 6 months, or even 1 year, something like that. Guys, here I am gonna click around last 3 months performance. That means from April to till today. So here the left side corner will give you complete information about everything about his account. So let's see, this account funds in means this amount, this account initial capital was 7 lakh rupees. So we started this account with 7 lakh rupees on 3 months back. For 7 lakh rupees, as of now we have made some good amount of profit. That means guys, you can see here, that means trades bought or sold, that means overall profit we made, net profit we made in this account. For 7 lakh profit account, net capital account, we made a profit of 4.7 lakh rupees. That is almost, you can see, 65 to 70% profit in last 3 months. So you can see, this is how in just one quarter we have produced more than 60% returns in account. That is how one can make it out if you have a proper knowledge. Then what happened next, what happened is, we even shared out this account, even got a withdrawal amount of total 5 lakh rupees from his account. Are you shocked? For 7 lakh we made around 5 lakh profit, and 5 lakh profit has already taken out from the account. That is how consistency we are making money from the demat account, or I would say in our client's account as well as in our personal account. So that is how the wealth management is purely made. This is one of the accounts. So let's get into the another account which can give you more idea, everybody. So here let me click on the like ledger completely. So guys, this is account which is the in this account the total capital was around 8.8 lakh rupees. That is around 9 lakh rupees was there in this account the day when we started trading account. That is almost 3 months back. Clear? And now in this 9 lakh rupee account, 9 lakh capital, we have produced almost 90% returns, 95% returns in just 3 months. In just 90 days we have made 90% returns. That is how consistency we are, and that is how our strategies, our trading system, our risk management, as well as our expert team, whatever the expert team we have in Quest Capital team, that is how we are producing returns consistently. And in this account the client has already got a payout of 6.7 lakh rupees. That is almost 70% of the profit client has taken from his account, and that is including our company sharing. So guys, this is how we are promoting, and this is how we are making money in everybody's account. So I would still say, don't look at 1 week, don't look at 10 days performance. If you want to see the real performance in everybody's account, look at 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year performance. So guys, this is how, if you have a proper knowledge, if you have a proper well tested, back tested strategies with you, and proper risk management is there, then this is how you can produce almost 80 to 100% returns in 2 to 3 months. But I would say what is required is patience, and right knowledge, risk management, and the expert team, you all need to have it. And the best part is, you should have a knowledge to make it out. Guys, here it's for today, and again I'll be coming up with you next month, or even let's say at the end of July month, to show you about our performance in every account. As of now, if you are asking me, sir, how much funds you are handling, or how much accounts you are handling, or how much percent returns you are producing, we are not committing anything, we are not committing anything to anybody, but we can show you this is what our past performance is, and this is how marketing helping us to make money with our inbuilt strategies, with our algo strategies. So guys, see you in the next video along with our along with the upcoming performance. And yes, see you in the next video. All the best, and yeah, take care.